In every industry, from energy to auto to medical and beyond, combinations of electrical, mechanical, and software systems add complexity to products. There are hundreds and thousands of ECUs, millions of lines of code with related cost, power, and safety requirements. The complexity in the number of components increase the number of intersections between components. It's at these intersection boundaries where the risk of product errors multiply exponentially. To deliver complex products with confidence, companies must change their engineering processes to manage these interfaces where product failures happen. In this complex product world, the traditional V model for design and validation doesn't scale, because there's no integration or no product digital thread between the left and right side of the V. Product errors go undetected. Issues emerge at the interfaces on the right side of the V, which throws off the project balance. And projects run out of control as costs to fix errors skyrocket. To address the late discovery problem, Siemens offers a model-based systems engineering solution for Teamcenter. This uniquely integrated model-based systems engineering solution brings together multi-domain product development, mechanical, electrical, and software, along with considerations like cost, reliability, and materials, to give manufacturers a cross-product and cross-domain digital thread. Teamcenter makes connections, starting from the beginning of the design cycle, and allows errors to be flagged early before a product is produced and while errors are less costly to correct. When you implement the Teamcenter model-based systems engineering solution, along with other Siemens solutions for systems digitalization, you transform the entire product lifecycle and minimize risk of errors at domain boundaries, enabling you to deliver today and tomorrow's complex products with confidence. That's ingenuity for life.